Naya, is today your 8-month birthday? Naya, can I see these? Wait, Naya, let me see. Can we put these on? No, let me see. Ready? Naya, look. Look. Look how pretty, Naya. No? Okay. You want this? Ooh. You're going to put them on there? Okay. Naya, is that your first pair of sunglasses? You have your first sunglasses? Can you say bye? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Naya, bye-bye. Bye-bye.